Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the theme of the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Canva app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. From here we have to go into the top left corner and then tap on settings. And here under settings, we have to tap on your account, scroll down, and here we find theme. We can either choose it to be synced with system, which means that it is going to adapt the theme of the device that we are using. So for example, if our phone is in light mode, the Canva app is going to use light mode. And then we can set it to light or dark mode. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.